Hey, Jake with B&H, and today we're talking about the new smartphone gimbal from DJI. This is the brand new OM5. If you're a mobile content creator, then listen up, because this is for you. The new DJI OM5 is a great, versatile companion that can really help users unlock the full potential of their smartphones. In tandem with the DJI Mimo app, the OM5 will help content creators capture flawless selfies, super smooth video, enjoy fast automatic face tracking, and much more. Plus, the new Shot Guide feature in Mimo app even provides creative tips, empowering users to get stunning shots wherever they go. Now, the new standout feature of the new DJI OM5 must be the new ergonomic handle design that can fit perfectly in the palm of your hand, which means users can easily take the OM5 along with them on any of their adventures. It still features the convenient magnetic foam clamp from last year's OM4, but this brand new OM5 has a little trick up its sleeve in the form of a first of its kind 215mm extension rod. This precision-crafted extension rod ensures that users can smoothly and uniformly extend their smartphone so they can include more friends in a selfie or capture footage from unique angles. All right, so having this extended like this does add another dimension, because now you can conveniently frame yourself in the shot because the camera is further away from you, but it's a comfortable position because this thing weighs barely anything. And the ergonomic design actually has a great little groove here for my finger to latch onto, so I feel pretty secure that this OM5 is not going anywhere. And having this extension arm, this extension rod, allows you to really fill the frame and see what's behind you. That's really neat, actually. It's kind of like having a gimbal and selfie stick all in one device. DJI is also making this new OM5 design in two different colors. Athens Gray, what I have here, was inspired by Greek architecture, while the Sunset White is a gorgeous new sunset white color which represents subtle hues of a sunset. Mobile content creators tend to have larger smartphones these days because they need a larger screen to see themselves and what they're shooting. Therefore, smartphone gimbals need to be up to the task of stabilizing those larger size smartphones. Thankfully, the OM5 has some motors with muscle. The key to the OM5's stabilization is 3 powerful motors that make sure users' phones stay where they need to be even during dynamic movements. Loaded with some of the smartest algorithms DJI has ever made, the OM5 actually adapts to users' movements while filming, so whether you're riding a bike or using gesture control, the OM5 will yield ultra smooth results anytime, anywhere. Now, if you are a first-time user of a smartphone gimbal or need a little video inspiration, DJI has now included a feature called Shot Guides. Activated in the DJI Mimo app, Shot Guides will automatically recognize the environment of the scene and recommend helpful shooting tips and creative templates. The DJI OM5 comes equipped with the new and improved Active Track 4.0 technology that has far more advanced recognition capabilities and faster responsiveness. Bam. Automatically grabs my face. Automatic face track. There's even a new automatic face tracking feature for selfie mode, so users can focus on their surroundings and stay in the moment while shooting. And yes, this will still recognize and track your furry friends. The DJI Mimo app still offers all your favorite intelligent shooting modes. Photo mode allows you to take still images. Video mode allows you to shoot 4K video up to 60 frames per second. Slow motion mode gives you 120 frames in HD. The classic panorama mode has 3 options, the 3x3, the 240 degree, and my personal favorite, Clone Me Panorama, which makes it look like you are in 3 places at once. Story mode lets you choose a template and follow prompts to create an awesome short video, even if you have no experience shooting or editing. Dynamic zoom emulates a classic cinematic effect to help add an artistic touch to your videos. Hyperlapse is a cool way to show movement through space at a fast speed. Time-lapse and motion-lapse let users capture the pulse of their environment. And the spin shot gives you cool rotating shots that you may see in music videos. The M button on the side will power on the OM5 and change shooting modes. Below that is the zoom trigger for convenient zooming control. The back button will orient and level the gimbal back to the default center position. The joystick on the front will control the pitch and the yaw of the gimbal's axis. If you switch to spin mode, then the joystick will control the roll of the gimbal. The record button will trigger the shutter or roll video. And the circle button will change the camera from front to rear or rear to front. So if you want a quick selfie, just hit that button once. If you want to change the orientation of the camera, double tap the circle button and the OM5 will change from landscape to portrait mode and vice versa, which is perfect for social media content creation or going live on Instagram or TikTok. In the box, you get the OM5 gimbal, the mini tripod grip to attach to the bottom, the magnetic phone clamp, storage pouch, wrist strap, and the USB-C cable for charging the internal battery. Yeah, this extension is just really smart, innovative idea because you're getting the best of a selfie stick, the best of a gimbal, and the best of autofocus and tracking thanks to the Mimo app. So you're really getting, it's a triple threat. This OM5 right here, this is really neat. Easily see everything behind me. The memorial behind me. If I wanted to, I could show you some buildings because I can go further down. You see that building behind me. I'm a big fan of this. Social media content creation is becoming more popular and more lucrative, but creators need tools like the DJI OM5 to help keep their mobile content fresh and exciting. Between the new ergonomic design, the 215mm extension rod, the increased strength of the gimbal motors, the improved tracking performance, and the shot guides, the OM5 will help first-time users master capturing high-quality content and help experienced users elevate their mobile content and stand out from the pack. But what do you think? Will the new DJI OM5 help you master every shot? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.